A stuffy nose can be uncomfortable for everyone, but babies can't clear their noses on their own. It's important to treat a baby's stuffy nose so they can breathe easily, especially when feeding. Luckily, there are simple ways to help clear the baby's stuffy nose. A warm bath can help loosen mucus in the baby's nose. The steam from the bath makes it easier for the baby to breathe. As the baby relaxes in the warm water, the mucus softens. This makes it easier to clean the nose. This is a natural way to clear the nose. A humidifier adds moisture to the air, which helps keep the baby's nasal passages moist. This makes it easier for the baby to clear mucus and breathe comfortably. Place the humidifier in the baby's room, especially during sleep. It creates a soothing environment and can reduce congestion. A bulb syringe is a simple tool used to gently remove mucus from a baby's nose. Innovo Twister Bulb is a baby ear syringe and nasal aspirator. It helps clear out mucus from the baby's nose and ears. The soft bulb is gentle and safe for babies. You can twist the bulb open for easy cleaning, which keeps it hygienic. It's simple to use and works quickly to remove mucus. Always wash it after each use to keep it clean. Saline nose drops are a simple and effective way to relieve nasal congestion in babies. Little Remedies saline spray and drops help clear a baby's stuffy nose. The saline solution is gentle and safe for babies. You can use the spray for quick relief or the drops for targeted use. Simply place a few drops in each nostril or spray as needed. This helps loosen mucus and makes it easier for the baby to breathe. It's easy to use and works well for soothing congestion. A nasal aspirator is a handy tool designed to help clear mucus from a baby's nose quickly and gently. NoseFreeder nasal aspirator helps remove mucus from a baby's nose. You use it by placing the tube near the baby's nostril and gently sucking on the other end. This safely draws out the mucus, making it easier for the baby to breathe. It's easy to clean and reuse. By following these steps and using these products, you can effectively relieve your baby's nasal congestion and help them breathe more comfortably.